Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get started today's session. And today topic is if you are at the zero level in spoken English, then how can you improve yourself? Okay, so today basically I went to talk on this topic. So try to listen carefully and work on the things which I shared here. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. It's not matter if you are at zero level. Okay, if you want to improve yourself, then you can easily improve yourself. like uh, if English speaking is what, it's just want your attention. If you give attention to your spoken part, then you can easily speak. We are eat food daily basis, going to college daily basis, and brushing teeth every day. Like this, we are doing these activities on daily basis. Like this, you will have to give time to your spoken part. If you give time to your spoken part, then you will definitely speak a good English. Okay, so just try to pay attention to your spoken part. And if you are at zero level, then just try to learn some rules of tenses and modals. If you have knowledge about this thing, then you can easily speak. I know in starting you are unable to frame the sentences, but after a time, if you are practicing, then you can easily see that you are now good in spoken part because of you are practicing on daily basis. The thing is conclusion is, if you are practicing, if you are giving attention, then you can easily speak. And just try to conversation with your friend or family member, take help of anyone. And I'm thinking everyone want to improve their spoken part, then everyone can easily give attention and easily ready to help you in your spoken part. Okay, so if you are want to improve yourself, then you can easily improve yourself. Just give attention. I again and again share this thing because it is very important in our spoken part. And second thing is, try to watch English subtitles movie and uh, cartoon videos. Okay, this thing is also very helpful. Try to create an environment only spoken environment. Okay, if you want to say something, then words words comes in your mind in English only. Make yourself like this. In starting, I am also very unable to frame the sentences because of lack of practice, and I am also a UP board student. That's why it's very difficult for me. But after practicing on daily basis, now I'm able to speak good English. Sometimes I'm also making mistake, but I'm always try to make myself good in English. And I always try to making less mistake. And after and I upload a video on YouTube. And also I watch my videos, and I always try to find out my mistakes. Okay, if someone judge me according to my video, then it's not a bad feeling for me because I'm also a learner. And if someone uh, helping me to recognize my mistake, then it is very good thing for me, because if someone correcting me, then in next video I'm trying to make myself correct on that things. Okay, so like this you will have to improve yourself, and you will have to practice on daily basis if you want to speak a good English. So just keep this thing in your mind. If you are at zero level, then it is not always you are at zero level. If you are trying to improve yourself, then maybe one day you are on a peak position in this world. Then if everything is possible and you can do anything, so I just want to say one thing: in this world anything is possible if you are uh, paying attention to anything. Okay, so just keep this thing in your mind. You are unique, you can do anything. So bye bye everyone, I will meet you in next video.